Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am opening a brand new to us subscription box called Daily Harvest. Daily Harvest is not a food subscription, but they do ship smoothies, bowls, fresh fruit-based goods. That's a good way of putting it. I wrote some notes so I can tell you guys about them. Starting price is $6.99 each, and when I say each, I am referring to the bowls and the smoothie cups that come inside. You can do weekly or monthly deliveries of 9, 12, or 24. Those are the three options. And you can mix and match. You can do smoothies like this, harvest bowls, soups, bites, oat bowls, chia bowls, and lattes. So there's a whole slew of stuff you can mix and match. And it's all clean, plant-based food. It's meant to be convenient, customizable, and of course, delicious. I just ordered smoothies. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not quite sure why. I just got on there, got really excited. I love smoothies. So I ordered a bunch of smoothies. But on my next order, I'm gonna mix and match more. I'm gonna get some of the harvest bowls and the soups and the bites, the oat bowls, so I can show you guys. I might even get a latte. So it comes in here, it comes with dry ice like this. So, of these, I chose things I love. They had a ton of excellent options. This one is the cherry almond smoothie, and it has strawberries, cherries, almonds, bananas, sacha inchi, lemon, sweet potatoes, and vanilla beans. With the exception of the vanilla bean, everything's organic. And then it tells you how to make them. Let's see if I can. So, the lid has a straw. That's brilliant. All right, seal, and then fruit inside. Smells really, really good. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna toss these all in the freezer because obviously that's where I'd store them. I will try a few of these with you guys. So let me toss these in so they don't dethaw, and I'll look right back. I kept the same one out. This is the cherry almond smoothie. And it says to choose a liquid base. We'd like a creamy option like almond milk. So I grabbed our Mootopia. Fill cup to top with liquid. Toss it all into the blender. Blend, then pour everything back into the cup. You're set. And it does have all the nutritional facts on the side of this, which is pretty cool. I love that most everything is organic. That's great. So, especially, I mean, for $6.99, I'll be honest, if I'm not like headed to one of my local favorite smoothie shops, I'm doing the work and everything, $6.99 is kind of expensive for me. I know I could not do these all the time. However, I also can't do my HelloFresh all the time. I can't do there's a ton of them I can't do all the time. But when I need them, like postpartum after having both of the girls, or when I broke my arm and could not use this at all, these were the things that saved my tail. So they definitely have a time and place. And then there's some of y'all who can afford it. And I say dive in and enjoy. I know I would if I could. Okay, get this guy open. I'm wondering how easily, it's really, really frozen. So how is it gonna come out of this cup, I wonder? Look at me. Don't get it on me. I wonder if you're supposed to like, let it dethaw some first. Hey, you can see though, you can see all the super fresh fruits in there. All right, let me grab a spoon.
No, hit down like break it.
Already I'm learning if I want to make one of these, set it out a little bit in advance because this sucker's oh, it's shifting. Hey, there we go. Smoothie. The frozen part is just bouncing around like a ball. Okay, I wonder if it's all the way blended. Oh, not even remotely close. There's still a big ice chunk in the center. I don't know if you guys can see that. stabbed it a few times. Let's see. So this is all that's left. It's a little bitty chunk. So let's go one more round. Okay, that sounds like it's good. So let me take this, pour it back in the cup. This is definitely way runnier than I would want my smoothie consistency. Now this is my very first one to make. So when I make a next one, I'm not gonna add as much milk. I like a fairly thick smoothie. Okay, let's try it. That's very good. That is very, very good. So you start, or I start with those sweeter notes, and I'm ending with the almond. It is very, very good. Next time I'll make another one, and I'll look back and I'll film like a few different days worth of them, and we'll just try them all together and see what we think. I do have a coupon for $25 off the first box, so don't forget that. This is the cherry almond. Let's see what I get next. Okay, you guys, so I grabbed this smoothie. It's the watermelon and dragon fruit, watermelon, cucumber, dragon fruit, fig, avocado, red beet, and chia. I did everything different that I've done in the last ones. I put half the amount of milk in that it asked for, poured the milk into the blender, and then took the fruit inside here, de-thawed it, then poured it into the blender, blended it like normal, added a spoonful of sugar so it would be less earthy and a little more sweet, since this is like my afternoon snack. I'm trying it for a snack. And then I threw in 4 ice cubes because I've been frustrated with it not having a good cold smoothie texture. And that's it. I figured out the formula to make this like the most delicious, perfect smoothie. Threw it back in my cup, and now I'm laying in bed playing video games. Okay, guys, I don't remember which number of smoothie this is, but this is the tart cherry and raspberry. It has cauliflower, tart cherry, fig, raspberry, and blueberry, and I did it the same way I did the last one. I put half as much milk in as they told me to. I added 4 ice cubes, and I de-thawed it for 20 seconds before putting it in the blender. Look at that. There was none left over. It is like literally that perfectly full. And I confess, I put 2 teaspoons of sugar, and it has made it taste so much sweeter, and I love it. So here we go. Figuring out this whole daily harvest thing. Okay, guys, that's a wrap. The 6 smoothie flavors I had were the acai cherry, which was so good, the cherry almond, which was good, the watermelon and dragon fruit, which was good, the pineapple matcha, I couldn't drink it. I gave it to my husband, he couldn't drink it, but neither one of us are matcha fans, so that's probably why. The chocolate blueberry was divine, super good. And the tart cherry and raspberry were really good. I can say, after having the box in my freezer and like getting up on a busy work day, I run out of my home office, I came in here, I'd blend a smoothie and I'd run back. I fell way more in love with this box than when I started this video. It is shockingly convenient to have a 3 o'clock snack that is very healthy, that tastes good. With this setup, I mean, literally just blended it, popped a straw in, and walked out. So I have to say, I'm much more stoked on Daily Harvest now than I was at the beginning of this video, but I had a chance to experience it. That's the whole point of what we're doing here. Okay, so I'm gonna link coupon codes below. I'll link them on my blog as well, also on Instagram and Facebook. But these coupon codes are constantly changing, so feel free to hit me up to see what the latest and greatest is. I try to keep them up to date as well, but there usually is always some kind of cool deal that Daily Harvest is offering us, which I love. Okay, Daily Harvest, thank you so much. Guys, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below. It really is just so encouraging when I see those scroll through. And don't be scared to ask questions. I love to research, and I'm here to help. All right, you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.